Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. You know how much I appreciate it, I really do. If you are like me, you love front lace wigs because they are easy to maintain. They cost less than a full lace wig. But of course, if you're someone who wants a full lace wig, you know I can have that made for you as a custom order. So keep that in mind. But right now we're talking about the most popular type of wigs, which is the front lace wigs, that they look fantastic when they're on. You adjust that back strap, the tightness that you needed, and it fits snug all the way around your head. But when you start filling it and rubbing across the back of it, for most of us, you've got this bulk right back here that you try to make work for you because people looking at the front, they don't know what you got going on back there. That's why I'm going to show you today how to make your front lace wig fit your head just like a glove so that you can wear nice ponytails and leave some of your own hair out in the back and twist it up into little cute styles. So we are going to get started by taking the wig off, turning it inside out, and we're going to undo these adjustable straps and put the wig on your head with that wrong side out so you can get an accurate fit. And you can see now that if you stretch that wig to fit so there's no gapping in there, the front of the wig comes way down here, and that's never going to work. So our goal is to take that excess bulk out and have it nice and tight so when you put it on, it will be right at your hairline and it will feel very smooth back here. Make sure that your ear tabs are in place and put the hairline to where you want it. You can see right through there. Put your hairline where you want it, and then pull all of this excess tracks and lace down in the back. Hold the front of the wig right in place so it doesn't go too far down or too far back. You want it exactly where it needs to be. And then you come in the back and you just get a hold of all of this excess. And now with the front in place, you know where that is. You can use both of your hands. Have that adjustable strap out of the way and just go and gently just grab that tuck of wefts. And use your tailor's chalk, and at the top where you got your fingers together and you got this tuck of lace, just mark the top, go underside, mark the bottom, do the same thing on the other side, holding that front in place, get that tuck, and find that tuck and go on the top side and mark it, up under the bottom and mark it, go to the middle of your head, and the tuck is going to probably be a little larger there because of the contour shape of the wig, so you want to get that tuck, keeping that front, make sure that that front is where it should be, mark the top, and then go under the underside, get that comb out of the way, and that's it. And now take your wig off and you can see where your markings are. Do you see how much of a gap there is there? Wow. Now next you want to put the wig on the wig head with the wrong side out. And stretch it so that you can see your lines clearly. And then use your T-pins or your sewing pins in different locations to lock it in place. Be careful, don't put it into the lace so that it snags in the lace, just enough to hold it on. You want to make sure there are no puckers in it. And it's nice and smooth like that. What we want to do is we want to take those wefts out in this area, and we want to keep the adjustable strap intact. So I'm taking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wefts. Wow. The bottom weft is going to be right here, and you want to draw your line just above that stitch line, just a little bit above that stitch line. That's going to be for that first row that you're going to be taking out. And then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my fifth one right here, and I'm going to go same thing beneath that stitching, following that line all the way across. And I can go clear over here to my line. So we need to try it on again to make sure we've got a good fit, a perfect fit, before we actually cut. And what you want to do is you want to match these two lines and then use your pen to hold it in place. And now turn the cap correct side out and put the wig onto your head. Bring the front hairline where it's supposed to be. Align the ears, and then go to the back of the wig and pull it down firmly. So we're just going to be cutting this section right here out. These small scissors, not anything big, and just give it a little nip right there, and just take your time and just cut the lace right on that line that you've made. And you want to go underneath, right above this adjustable strap right there. Just go right to where that track is, snip that. And now what you want to do, make sure everything is aligned like it was. Go ahead and put that in like that all the way across, where the lines meet. Take and move your adjustable strap up, because you're actually going to be sewing on that adjustable strap, keeping everything aligned. You see how I'm doing it? And you can see where the contours are going to fit. You need to put a pin on the top and bottom, and just keep right on following the contour. Stretching as necessary. And then letting your adjustable strap meet right where you cut. It should all be even, and you can't even tell where you made the adjustment. Do the same thing on this side. So you can see all the way around where it contours, and we're going to pull this down, everything in place. Okay, now you are all set to sew these two seams together. Starting over here right at where the lace meets, you want to go under and catch it right to that front lace. That's going to be your first stitch. Do several of those stitches to make sure that you are joining the adjustable strap. And then you're going to start attaching the band and where you made that cutting line. Close in that final gap, couple of lock stitches, and that's the end of our alteration. This feels so good. no bulk, flat to your head. You're going to love this, and you can do it yourself. But for those of you who want to have it as thick as it was before you took your tracks out, just cut the individual tracks off. You put the wig back on the mannequin head. Take those extra tracks and just lay them above that track and just sew it all the way around. And I really suggest that you use the tracks from your wig instead of like going to a beauty supply store and getting tracks and putting them up there. It might not be the same texture or whatever. And one other thing that I'm going to do, where I have inserted those hooks in this adjustable strap, I'm going to go back and take thread and just go ahead and secure these in place so that they won't ever come up again. And I am ready to install my newly custom fit front lace wig that is going to fit so much better. And once you do yours the way I've shown you how to do it, you're going to love wearing your wig without having that bulk in the back. Use a little holding spray to hold that hair back while I put my wig on. Align it where those ear tabs. Once they're in place, just pull the lace into place. I take that back comb and insert it up under my hair, and that holds that in place. Everything fits perfect. Smooth back here. If I want to, I can wear a ponytail, or if I want to do a cute up style somehow, I can do that with a natural hairline in the back. Wow, this is a fantastic fit. Now you know how to adjust your wig so it fits your head perfectly. Thanks everybody for joining me. I really appreciate it. And if you like what I'm doing here on the Magic Wig Makers channel for women with hair loss, please see my contact information in the description. So before you leave, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, tell others, like, comment. Most of all, enable that notification bell so you will always know when I am working my magic. Thanks everybody for joining me. I'll be back real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.